For our props, headed by Claire Sismundo, under teacher April Luha, with the assistance of Mrs. Marian Del Mundo. For our documentation team, thank you, Kuya Miguel Lagi and Kuya Patrick. For our production assistant, thank you, Ate Sara Grinoga and Darlene Del Mundo. For our propsmen, thank you, Pae, Eliza, Micaela, Trisha, JP, Christine, and in moments like this, let's welcome Yusril Grinoga, Kale Sibilia, Fanny Camanado, JP Alegre, Jill Barnes, Kim Array Reyes, Robin Abelia. Our prisoners, Angelo Vergara, Kit Angel Sevilla, Caroline Cabrera. The servants, Gianna Marico, Ella Renitagli, Daline Garcia, Maharlika Dance Group under teacher Yana Salas, Vicky Joy Javier, Evander Cajes, Christian San Gabriel, Jezreel Mira Gallo, Mac Anya Sotohot, Hidayah Bagul, Happy the Bagul.